Student, first step, go to file inside, import, two option will be open, first file, second multiple file. If you want to open lot of files, click on the multiple file. After that, your file location will come. Where is your file gallery? In CD, picture, in document, in which drive you did save your pictures. You open it from where you did save your file. Open and done. After that, second step, in project area, your all files will come. You select one by one and you can select all file and drag it upon the layer panel. Third step, click on the cursor. This is a rectangle shape cursor. Click on this. Your transform will open. In transform, you will find anchor point, position, scale, rotation, opacity. Front of these option, this is a rounded button type shape is here with position, scale, rotate, opacity and anchor point. Click on this round type button. This is your key. This is your keyframes. When will you press your position keyframe? In 0 frame, you will click on this round shape keyframe. Click once. In exist in same position, and after 500 on the timeline 500 frame, you click the position little bit more, your position one by one. In transform, you can change the position, you can change the scale, zoom in, zoom out you can do. First click on this is a keyframe. You can select it 0, you can select after 50, some scale it increase position, and after in 100, you change it some decrease position. After 150, you can increase scale position. Like this you can do in all timeline. You can change scale, increase, decrease, after increase, zoom in, zoom out. Like this you can change the scaling numbers in your timeline. Your keyframes will be select in different timelines range. 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300 on timeline. Like this you can do rotate position also. You can change through the keyframe. Select the keyframes and rotate it. Again you move second on timeline, second number 50, 100, 150, 200. You can change on this number on this timeline. Rotations angle different. Like this you can do opacity also. Select, this is a rounded. In opacity side button, round button, you can click this. This is a keyframe. You will select this keyframe on this timeline, little bit triangle type shape will come. And you can opacity in different time range. Different times on the timeline you can select. You can decrease in 300 on the timeline, opacity in 45, and 500 on the timeline you can 90, you can opacity you can increase, and 500 on timeline you can change your opacity in 30. Like this, you can one by one in transform, you can change this position, scale, rotation, opacity. This is a major point in your video, for your file, for your footage. This is a major point. Position also very important, scale also, rotation also, opacity also. Thank you very much.